Yes.
Can you listen to me?
Yes.
So could you tell me the difference between listen and hear?
Okay. So I think you asked, can you hear me? To make sure that your sound was reaching my ear. We might also say that on the phone. Can you hear me? It's a bad connection. Okay, I hear you. Okay. Can you listen to me means you have something to say.
Oh, okay. So please explain about that.
Okay, so listening is intentional. We do it because we want to do it. We are trying to listen. We do it on purpose.
Yeah.
With purpose.
Yeah.
We do it by choice. I'm trying to listen to you. Hearing is accidental. It's by automatic ability because we have ears, right? So you are listening to me, but I think you can hear the of the air conditioner.
Yes.
You're trying to hear me. You're not trying to hear the air conditioner.
So what about the picture?
So here's John. He's
Yeah.
on the train,
Yeah.
and he's listening to the news.
Yeah.
But he can hear the train conductor making an announcement. Passengers, this train will stop at Shinjuku station. He's not trying to hear that,
Yeah.
but he does.
Okay. What about listen up?
Listen up means, hey everybody, please pay attention. Coaches, teachers say that.
And are you listening?
Are you listening means, are you paying attention? Are you really focused on me? Mhm.
So when someone doesn't listen to you,
Right.
or doing something else.
Yes. Then you say, are you listening? Right? So it's a little bit confrontational, right? Are you listening?
Okay. And then, so what about the
Statement?
yes?
On the bottom, friends,
Yes.
Romans, countrymen, lend me your ears. I don't know where it came from originally, but maybe in Rome, great speakers or senators or philosophers or somebody, before they spoke to the masses, they might have said, lend me your ears, give me your ears, please listen.
Okay. Could you read it again?
Friends, Romans, countrymen, lend me your ears.
Thank you.
You're welcome.